gonna show y'all how to make protein French toast. Alright? So before I do that, I gotta get ready. Alright, that's much better. Alright, so this is gonna be a very simple and easy way to make a breakfast that you enjoy. And if you don't know what I'm about, I'm a very huge advocate on counting macros. And with that method, you're able to eat things that you enjoy while still getting good results. I've been counting macros for the last 8 years now, and I've done photo shoots, and I eat I'm not gonna go deep into depth with this, but because I'm gonna make other videos and I'm waiting for gyms to go back open, to reopen, so I can start dropping more fitness and nutrition. But right now I just wanted to make this video. The rule is I want to eat 80% healthy foods and 20% foods that you enjoy. I was able to go get photo shoot ready, beach ready, enjoying things like ice cream, making quesadillas, burgers, and pizzas myself daily to get the results that I want. So if anyone tells you you have to eliminate foods to get results, tell them that I said, shut the fuck up, because they're wrong. No, in all seriousness, it's all about a calorie deficit, and I'll break that down later too. In a calorie deficit, it doesn't matter if you're eating paleo, vegan, bro foods only, it's all about a calorie deficit. So this method, what I teach people is to make it a lifestyle and to be able to eat the foods they enjoy, and that's why I'm a huge advocate about it. So now I'm gonna show you all the ingredients you're gonna need to make these wonderful, tasty protein French toast. Alright, so now I'm gonna show you everything you're gonna need to make these protein French toast. You're gonna need a bowl, a whisk, 2 eggs. These are 2 large eggs. Nature's Own honey wheat. These breads I really like because you can eat carbs and still lose weight in a deficit, okay? I already explained that earlier. And these breads are very thick, like thick. You're gonna need a protein source, and this is machine whey vanilla ice cream. For 1 serving, it's 3 fat, 3 carbs, 26 protein. I like to buy protein that has low fats and carbs and higher in protein, okay? And you're gonna use brown cinnamon and stevia. All right, so with counting macros, you want to be very precise and weigh things out to a serving, whether it be to the ounce or gram. So what I'm gonna show you now is how to weigh out the serving for this protein, okay? So what you wanna do is have a food scale. You're gonna place the bowl plate whenever you weigh things out, you're gonna turn it on. And for the nutrition facts here, it says for one serving is 36 grams. So what I'm gonna do is weigh it out to 36 grams. All right, that's 37, that's cool. You don't break up the eggs. You don't want to weigh that out because in the MyFitnessPal app, you just put 2 eggs, and that's what it's going to be. You're going to do a little bit of this, and 1 packet of stevia for that razzle dazzle. And now you just mix it, and you want to have a good consistency. Since my numbers are pretty high right now, I'm able to use the eggs. If I was on a cut, like my numbers, well, I am on a cut, but if I had lower numbers, I would use egg whites. And I don't recall the numbers that I used, but I believe it's 200 to 250. You gotta make sure that you have a good consistency because you want it to be thick. Now is heat up the flat iron pan, put it to medium or whatever number you have on there, on your stove. And with counting macros, you want to use spray because olive oils and all that has fats to it, and I'm pretty sure some of y'all don't even know that. With sprays, it's zero everything, all the way down. All right, so what you do now is you get the bread and you're gonna soak it in there. All right, soak it in there. Make sure it's getting all the consistency in there. You're gonna flip it. Your hand's gonna get a little sticky icky, but it's all good. All right, what I'm gonna do is now place it on here. And do the same thing to the other one. All right, so there is a little bit left. You could use another bread. I personally just like to put the rest of it on top, whatever is left. If you don't eat all of it, then obviously you're not getting all the macros that you consume. So that's why I suggest to put it on top of the bread, or just get another bread and do the same thing. All right, I got the most out of it I can. So I'm gonna wash my hands. I'm gonna make sure I cook these correctly. Obviously, whenever you just wanna flip it when it's brown, ready to turn over, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like afterwards. I'll be back to y'all in a minute. All right, so now that we have the French toast done, you can see that it's browned and good and toasted, right? Now I'm gonna show you the other ingredients that I like to use after they're done, okay? So I can't believe it's not butter. So we're gonna give it a few sprays. All right. And if I actually weighed this out to 60 milliliters of the syrup, you'd probably have a good little amount. So I'm not even gonna do that, because honestly, I don't even really like a lot of syrup on my stuff. So I'm gonna hit it with a little of that. And then, oh yeah, the syrup is Cary sugar free. For one serving, it's 0 fat, 6 carbs, 0 protein. Like I said, if you weighed it out to 60 milliliters, it'd be a good little amount of, but I'm not gonna weigh that. All right, and the next thing we have is fat-free whipped cream. Get it on top. And now we enjoy. All right. All right, thanks for watching. And thanks for watching the first episode, and I'm excited to show y'all some of these nice little meals you could do and still be able to have a lifestyle and reach your goals. So yeah, thanks for watching episode 1 of Cooking with Chef your boy D. Holla at y'all.